Hey guys, and welcome to another segment in our WeVideo tutorial series presented by WBAM Student Television.
Today we will be showing you how to zoom in and out, which is changing the scale of the video, making it easier to see the subject.
When you use this effect, you can show tiny details, facial expressions, and more. Just like
this.
First, open WeVideo and choose the clip you would like to edit, and drag it to video 1. Click on the clip so you see the black box and click the first preset button. Then click the fourth button at the top left. First hit start and choose where you would like the clip to start. Then click end and choose where you would like your clip to end. I would like it to end on the dog's face. Then click Save Changes.